The one who deceives you the most is not other people. It's your own intuition. When you feel sudden unease, dislike, or a strong sense of resistance, don't rush to believe it. It might not be the truth. It might just be your old wounds trying to protect you from being hurt again. You see,
Intuition can come from two places, one from clear awareness, and the other from unhealed pain. Let's look at 3 signs that tell you whether your intuition is true wisdom or simply
an echo of old wounds. Sign 1. The emotion feels like a wave, not a stream. True intuition brings calm and clarity, but when old wounds get triggered, that gut feeling often comes with a flood. Fear, anger, harsh judgment. You're not seeing truth in that moment. You're trying to stay safe. So hold off on reacting. Sign 2. The story feels like a rerun, not a premiere. When a moment feels strangely familiar and a bad feeling rushes back, be careful. That's not foresight. That's your pain replaying an old script, using new people to act out the same scene. If it feels familiar, slow down. Sign 3. The body feels like an alarm, not a compass. If your intuition comes with a racing heart, tight shoulders, a knot in your stomach, that's not deep knowing. That's your body sounding the alarm. Memories of pain being reactivated. The body is honest, it's just triggered. When you hear the alarm, pause.
So what can you do when any of these signs appear? Don't rush to react. Try this 3-step
rescue method. Step 1. Pause. Take a deep breath. Step away from the moment if you can. Step 2. Ask. Place your hand over your heart and gently ask yourself, when have I felt this before? How old was I then? Step 3. Separate. In your mind, separate the person who hurt you back then from the person standing in front of you now. When you can tell the past from the present, you're no longer a puppet pulled by old pain. Intuition
can be a compass or an old alarm. Learning the difference isn't about doubting
yourself, but about grounding your actions in awareness. When you can pause, question, and separate, you create a sacred space of choice, where sensitivity becomes strength and clarity feels both gentle and powerful. If you'd like, our next episode will turn this awareness into a simple practice you can carry into the Thanksgiving season, and maybe it will change how your year ends. This is Inner Echoes. If this message resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And tell me in the comments, which of the 3 signs spoke to you the most? May this awareness become your quiet inner strength.